Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title, I'll be showing you guys how to do this beautiful cheetah print design French tip nail. I actually got this idea off of Pinterest. It didn't have an artist's name on it, so yeah, but I will leave the picture up on the screen. So yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let's get on into it. So right here you guys see me going in with a clear base coat and then a color polish. I was trying to make like a see-through type of base. I didn't have that color in gel, so yeah, that's why I had to mix it so that it could give me a transparent type of effect. So as you guys can see, I used not, I wouldn't say a nude color, but a little bit darker than a nude. And then as you guys can see, it had a little bit of orange on there, which I think it did create a perfect color that I was looking for with the orange. So yeah, but as you guys can see, I'm painting the nails. Usually I would use builder gel to give the nail a little bit more strength, but since this is like a design for you guys, I'm not going to do that. But when it's for my customers, I definitely put builder gel to strengthen. So after curing the polish that I showed you guys before, I decided to add a nude color, a black color, some glitters, and kind of the same color that I used to mix with the base gel. I'm also going in with the original polish that I mixed earlier, and I'm giving it a second coat, and I will be curing it again. So right now I'm about to start the French. As you guys can see, I brought out my nail art brush. This is the brush that I use for my French designs. I do want to invest in getting another one, a more quality type of brush, but you know, I'm working with what I have now. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm kind of freestyling. I don't have no technique or method or way that I do this. As you guys see, I didn't really like how it came out, so I kind of took it off and I used another color to do the French. So yeah. When you guys are doing French, you want to take your time. Do not rush it, because French, although it may seem simple, it is very difficult, especially if you are not steady-handed. So make sure you guys take your time with it. Right now you see me taking out her hair. That happens from time to time, especially if you get, I don't know, it happens with any gel polish, I believe. So yeah, just make sure you guys are taking your time to do your French. So as you guys can see, I cured it. I finished the French. I'm going back in with a second coat, just as I did the first color that we was doing. You also want to make sure when you're doing this that you're not rushing it either, because it can mess up your initial French shape, and you don't want that at all. Yeah. So as you guys can see, now that I finished the second coat of the French polish, I cured it, and now we're going to get into the actual cheetah print design. For this, I'll be using a dotting tool. I got mine off Amazon. It comes in a pack of 5, I believe. I'm pretty sure any nail supply online boutique or place should have this tool. So yeah. So now you guys can see me making the cow print design on the French part of the nail, and I'm just spacing them out, freestyling it basically. There's no correct way how you could do this design. So yeah, you just freestyle it and it should come out good, you know what I'm saying? There's no right format or way to tell you guys to do it. So after I did the cow print, I cured it for 60 seconds in my LED light. And now I'm wiping the same dotting tool that I used to make the cheetah print off, and yeah. So after wiping the dotting tool off, I went in and I picked up some black gel polish. And you can see me making outlines on the nude part of the cow print design that I did. And yeah, that's how you would get your cheetah print effect. It's not as hard as it seems, you know what I'm saying? It's very easy. You just gotta take your time and kind of like calculate in your head which goes where. So yeah. So this is how it came out, and it came out pretty cool. I actually decided to cure it and add my own little design to it as well. So I got this silver gel polish from Coselia. I will try to link it down below if they still have it. I'm not really sure, but I decided to add it. I feel like the silver would have gave it a nice little touch, and it did when I saw it at the end. So I decided to keep it. I was actually going to do the gold, but then I figured, why not do silver? I don't really see a lot of silver cheetah print designs. So yeah. As you guys saw, I actually went over the black part of the nail and put the silver on it. So it's pretty easy. You just gotta take your time. Don't rush it, because then it'll be a mess. So yeah, if you guys want to add this extra design on, keep watching to see. Alright, so now after I cured everything, I'm gonna go in with some top coat. I didn't know which top coat I wanted to use, whether it was gonna be matte or glossy. So I just decided to test out the two and see which one I liked, and eventually I ended up picking glossy. So yeah, I also got my my top coats and base coat from the brand Coselia. You can find them on Amazon. They have their own website as well, but I prefer Amazon because I need things to come faster. So yeah, I got it from there. I'll try to link everything that I use in this video down in the description if you guys want to purchase any of the items that I used. So as you guys can see, I like the glossy more because it kind of bring out the cheetah print more and glitter more, and I feel like the matte one was a little bit too ashy for me. You know what I'm saying? So I just decided to go with glossy. So as I mentioned in my previous videos with the spooky sets, I like to file my nails after I paint it because I feel like if I file it before painting, it's not gonna make a difference. You know what I'm saying? Because you put in on polish and the polish sometimes overlaps the nails, so I like to file after to give it the original shape that I had before. So you guys, this is how it came out. I'm very happy with how it came out. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I will have a lot more nail content coming and some business videos as far as like press on nails or businesses in general. So yeah.